to make a miniature camera. I start by taking a square out of clay and rounding the edges. And then I use a dotting tool to make a dent sort of near the left side. Then I use a toothpick to make kind of a circular shape on the smaller side. And add a ball of clay that's flattened to the top. I add a piece of clay near the top to make it a little taller and use the end of a tool to blend it in. Then I add another few flattened balls to the top for buttons. And another one to the front. I also make 2 more flattened balls that are the same size as the other one, but don't put them on. I make marks on the sides and then put them on. I also make 1 more with marks on the sides, but bake this separately. I added more flattened balls to the back for buttons, and then bake it for about 4 minutes. If you didn't use black clay, once it's baked, I painted it black and added a couple more details, and also some printouts. Also some to the lens cap. You don't want the lens cap to stay permanently on the front of the camera, so to attach it, I put a piece of sticky tack and then put the camera lens cap on to keep it in place. To make a strap, I glue a printable to the black paper and make 2 little pieces of clay and bake them for 2 minutes. Then I glue them to the end of the piece of paper. I tie 2 knots with embroidery floss that's black and glue it to the ends of the piece. I glue the knots to the ends of the camera to make a strap to finish off the camera.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Bye!
Tessa?
What, Icicle?
What's down there? Can I look?
Fine, real quick.
Ooh.
Alright, Icicle, you had your look. Now what do you want?
Where did that stuff come from?
Let me ask you again. What did you want?
Can I borrow your camera?
Alright, but don't drop it, don't break it, and don't lend it to anybody else.
Yay! Thanks, Tessa.
Why do I have a feeling that was a mistake?
Okay, Apollo. Smile. Okay, let's see what we got. No picture. Tessa's stupid camera is broken. Tessa, you can have it back. It doesn't work.
It better work.
Didn't take the picture.
That's because you had the cap on.
Oh,